Mhla ziyi-16 kuZibandlela, uZuma wamemezela ukuthi uzokhankasela i-MK kune-ANC okhethweni oluzayo. Unobhala jikelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula uthi isenzo sikaZuma esokuphazamisa izinhlelo ze-ANC zokuletha uguquko ezweni.
The formation of MK party is not an accident. It is a deliberate attempt to use the proud history of armed struggle against the apartheid regime to lend credibility to what is a blatantly counter-revolutionary agenda.
I-ANC ithi isithathe isinqumo sokummisa uZuma njengelungu leqembu.
The NEC concluded that exceptional circumstances exist to justify and warrant an immediate decision to suspend former ANC President Jacob Zuma.
Umbalula unxusa abantu bakulelizwe ukuthi bayichithe i-MK party ayibiza nge-JZ Party Project.
We call on ANC members, our alliance partners, and all South Africans to reject the agenda of the JZ Party Project.
Umbalula uthi izenzo zikaZuma zidicilela phansi isithunzi se-ANC.
Former President Jacob Zuma is actively impugning the integrity of the ANC and campaigning to dislodge the ANC from power.
I-ANC ithi izamile ukukhuluma noZuma kodwa kwanhlangazimuka nomoya.
The options of engagement equally are not closed. So that they've been pursued over time and they've proven to be worthless.
I-ANC ithi isikuphosele inselele enkantolo ukusetshenziswa kophawu lomkhonto wesizwe njengoba kuwuphawu lombutho we-ANC.